Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at semiconductors, that is Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. So let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, it's only for education purposes. Everything that I do, say, show you, everything is only for education purposes. I take guarantee of nothing. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. All right, so Nvidia. Now, what I have been saying is that over the weekend, $106 level was a game changer level. Once we break out of it, expect an upside move close to 20 days moving average. We got that today. From here on, Nvidia, guys, is still holding strong pivots in the rebound. It is in the uptrend. Getting above 106 is a next strong upside move. Nvidia at this point is bullish play unless and until we don't break below 106 and 30 cents. If we lose 106 and 30 cents tomorrow, then there is another again a problem. Am I seeing that happening right now? No. Am I seeing something in that price action that tells me that right now? No. Trend is to the uptrend on Nvidia. So let's go to the hourly interval over here. And let's take a look at some of the areas. Now, today was a little bit of a tricky day as well in the market. A lot of choppiness and whatnot, right? We are seeing Nvidia that underneath of 20 days moving average, right? This area is selling off quite badly here, right? We have this multiple hours of sell-off, and then eventually last hour it's giving up as well. Now, what to watch tomorrow? So what are we seeing still on intraday? Higher highs, higher lows. Tomorrow, if Nvidia still stays above this 200 hours moving average here, I'm not worried even if any pullback happens until 20 and 200, but if we can find support here, it's just an upside play. Definitely there's a fight with 20 days moving average tomorrow on Nvidia. If anytime we lose 220 hours moving average tomorrow, $106 the level still to watch. Until then, that's fine. I'm not too worried. But I'm aware that if the sell-off happens, it may continue. So just don't buy blindly. You still have to watch where the price action is holding support. I'll show you 5 minutes interval in just a second. But until then, until 106, all pullbacks for me are fine. And I'm not too worried on that for Nvidia right now. So going to the 5 minutes interval is what I want to focus on as well. So here on 5 minutes interval with Nvidia, even any pullback to just catch up with the 200 moving average on 5 minutes is also fine, as long as we don't break all of those levels. So this was the area 106 as I talked about. You can see once we got out and above it today, huge breakout. So you get my point. Right now price action on Nvidia shows me bullishness as long as we stay above $106. Any pullback can be bought back up, with the stop loss definitely on the other side. So things are looking good to me for Nvidia. AMD. Is AMD strong enough to continue higher? So guys, at this point, it just looks like AMD as if it's even trying, and these are good pivots that AMD has been forming down here. It's just that next big move that is about 136 and 84 cents would be, this zone is where, if we can get above 20 days moving average as well, is when I would see a next big move. Yeah, so that's what I want to trade on. AMD is the next big move, and for that we'll have to get above 20 days moving average. There are early telltale signs that if we can continue tomorrow, at least intraday, also above 200 hours moving average, that's a positive sign for the upside. But that's the level to watch for this 136 and 76 cents today. Also you can see it's just hitting the ceiling over there, right? So as for the downside, at this point with AMD, I will be worried definitely if we stay below 136 and 76 cents and continue lower and then lose 20 as well, then I will start to get worried, and then definitely losing 133 and 74 cents is a big problem. SMCI. So let's go to the daily interval. And so SMCI tried to do a good strong rebound above 528 and 13 cents. As long as SMCI now can stay above 528 area, right, this can, for a couple of days, can continue higher. So that's what I'm looking at with SMCI. Yeah, and that's pretty much the level to watch, guys. As long as we stay above 529.24 cents, now it's just an upside play, at least in the rebound for a couple of days. ARM. So ARM, let's go to the daily interval. So still below the blue box. Yeah, it's this next strong good move to the upside is only above the blue box, guys. That is 120 area zone. And below this black line is where the trouble is, right? And then we are watching then maybe 108, but anytime if we start to lose 115, there's problem lurking for ARM for at least at intraday level, and then we'll see what it does at 108 if it comes down there. But yeah, right now it's still consolidating. As I said, big move will be above 120 area. These are the pivots, previous strong resistances to watch. All right, so that's that. Broadcom. So let's go to Broadcom. This thing tried to go up, sold off underneath of 20 days moving average. That's fine. Let's go to the hourly interval because technically it's still in the rebound bullish structure, and also on the hourly interval we are above 200 hours moving average. You can see multiple pullbacks over there just got bought back up, right? As long as we stay above this 200 hours moving average tomorrow as well, it's an upside play. Micron. Let's go to the daily interval. And so Micron is where the little bit of a, possibly trouble you can say right now, but if Micron tomorrow can stay above $93.66, that's fine. It can continue higher. If anytime it breaks below that, then there's a problem. Otherwise, we are fine. And this rebound can continue, but this will be just a rebound, nothing more than that. It's not a bullish play. Overall, it's not a bullish play. Just remember that. All right, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.